Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to start a private chat in Character AI. First of all you have to do is open your Character AI website, and then you have to log in into Character AI with your account. Once you're logged in, all you have to do is click on this create button. From here you have to select create a character and set any name of your character. For example, I will name it as my character, and after that you can give any greeting, I am my character, or you can also change it, and you can toggle image generation or yes or no. But the main thing to make your chat private, all you have to do is select visibility from public and change it to private. Once you've changed the visibility, all you have to do, you can play around with the other stuff, but I will now hit create and chat. Now I have created a character named my character, and this chat will be completely private between me and the character. No one will be able to see it because I have set the visibility from public to private. And that's how to start a private chat in Character AI. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.